Alright, so we've just did a comparison of the ISO of the 1st of December from ArcoLinux and carli 2. And we've noticed that one of the lines is not okay. It means we get this bump up here. So it's not horizontal, which means something has been added to the ISO of ArcoLinux that we don't have. And it's this package, lib atomicops. So I don't know if I have it installed, but if it is, we can have a look. Lib atomic provides semi-portable access to hardware provided atomic memory operations, dependencies, files, details. Click. It looks like a Russian name, the developer, I mean them. And we try to make sense of it, because it is, after all, super technical. And you read, and whatever stays in our head, stays in our head, you know. Whatever we get at this point in time, we get. And the only thing I ask you is just be patient with yourself, right? You read a lot of stuff and say, oh my God, this doesn't make sense at all. But wait in 2 years and you'll say, I am seeing the puzzle. I am seeing it more and more clear as you go. And that's what you should do. Actually, be patient. So, okay, we need to add this thing to our carli. So I can actually copy paste that guy already. So copy. This is the ArcoLinux and this is our carli result. So if you build carli, you get a list of all the packages that you have, and the versions are not important, but the packages themselves are. So we're missing something, and as a rule I've said that carli is going to follow all ArcoLinux releases every month. Okay, so let's build our carli 3 basically. That's what I'm saying, and I thought, yes, why not just make a video, and well, you always learn something from our videos, right? So the carli 2, how we to do that, we log into our GitHub, so we have a nice sign here. We say we're gonna make a new one, and we call it carli 3. Please use GitHub, it's so easy. Put your stuff on there, your settings that you never want to lose, right? Your .config thing and any of your changed files, and then copy paste them back over onto ArcoLinux after a scal or thing like that. So we have a URL. This thing is now copy pasted. It's now inside my computer, and I'm gonna go to, not there, I'm gonna go to my place where carli is. So carli 2, carli 3. Open a terminal. I'm gonna git clone an empty thing. carli 3. The only thing I need to do is get this, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, permission denied, of course, yeah. So we still have this guy in here, that guy is in here, that guy is in here. So those guys should go, and we do have a nice thing. Let's have a look. What's in here? This is a clean install of ArcoLinux, so I need to say all these things. So remove me the out, remove me the work. So I need to get this one out and that one out, and then we have actually our proper GitHub. There he is. This takes a while, or not. Thank you. Super fast. And now we're gonna push it back, but first copy. So Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C, carli, Ctrl-V. The one thing we needed to change was the atomic thingy, which I have lost, of course, due to all these copies. So where's the bump? The bump in the road. Here's the bump in the road. So this guy, Ctrl-C, you're out, you're in. And then it starts with a lib. So L. That's alphabetical, right? Like so. Which means that if I rebuild this, my next package list should be exactly the same thing, right? So this is carli 3. I've added a package to the list, and I'm gonna push it to the internet. Well, I don't know if this is a new computer, so if it's a new computer, never pushed anything to the GitHub, then you do your setup, of course. Go check what's in that setup, but because it says Eric Dubois in there. Okay, so change it, and then we go and push it to the internet. First commit for, maybe I still have it. Yeah, that's the one. Add it to the list. Okay, let me give you my password. All right, passwords and pushed to the net gives a result of this. atomicops added to the list, right? And all the rest. So this is a really new thing. So that's basically what we did. This should be changed. It's not number 2. So the README is actually number 3 now. And you can push it again to the net. It's still open. No, isn't it in here then? README changed. Right, okay, that's it. It's online. We can check. Oops, that's not the button. Oh, I closed it. Anyway, it's online. Now, to double check, I'm gonna build carli 3, right? So we've seen in the other video that we have a sudo build that we should type, and off it goes. Go there, my friend. You go there, and let's open it up again. So we'll have to make a carli 3 in here, and in carli 3 we get 2 articles at least. One of updating and one of moving everything online, so creating carli 3. And then later we'll figure out another Arch installer. So we are figuring out how should we proceed with carli. Finally, of course, I'm going to use Calamares because lots of people ask, hey Eric, please explain Calamares. How does it work? Right, it's a graphical install. It's quite easy for a beginner to actually install a complete operating system with Calamares. And some of these guys are, well, you need the knowledge of the phase 5 ArcoLinux for it to actually understand what are you doing, right? But we'll see. So while it's building, what can I do else? I'm gonna go to another computer. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna make my menus on the website in the meantime. All right, it's been built 639, and in the meantime you'll see if you reload that you get a carli 3. And I start with a copy paste from carli 2. I'm gonna edit, have some fun, install, have a nice new wallpaper here, new image. I used to install Deeping, maybe I'll install Mate or anything else. 15 desktops to choose, right? So nice, an image, so we actually know we're on Arch, but we're using carli, and some extra explanations on here. So this is gonna be carli 3. In the meantime, so the second article, that's this one, is making the GitHub, the carli 3, so you know how it's done. And now, of course, we need to check it again. It should be the same, right? So, this README thing, what's he doing here? What are you doing here? I don't know. Did we lose any READMEs? Yep, just checking, because where's my README here? What's that? I lost my README. How is that possible? Human error, that's how it's possible. Restore. What are you doing on my desktop? Get into my... here. Push. this guy and that guy is preventing me to push it. Okay, later, out of the way. Not out of the way. I need to open up, this is ArcoLinux, right? I need to open up my new creation, carli 3, double click it. So it's the same name, of course. I'm using the same scripts as ArcoLinux does. Of course, it's gonna be the same name. But this was the real Arch. This was the carli 2 thing. Actually, right? Did not change anything, but now we've changed something. So this is gonna be the carli 3 thing. So this guy and that guy. So the Arch and carli 3, if we compare it, there shouldn't be any bumps in it anymore. Everything should be horizontal, right? And here's the lip. We passed already the lip atomic thing. Oh, where are you? Here it is. It's of course not in blue because it's the same, exactly the same, of course. Same version, same day, same version. It's normal. So no bumps, everything the same. The only difference is the thing behind it. So the version number, we don't care about the version numbers. It's the packages, the Lego blocks that we want to know. Are we playing with the same Lego blocks? So basically I'm ready. This is carli 3. I'm gonna use carli 3 to install an ArcoLinux desktop, one of them, 15 desktops to choose from. So I'll have my fun, and that's gonna be another video.